Hi MMM community, once again, this is Paul from Dasmariñas, Cavite, and also an active member of MMM Global Philippines. As August 12, 2015, a request to provide help amounting to 11,000 pesos. And on August 17, 2015, a request an assistance amounting to 12,100 pesos. Thank you to the following participants who provided me the account: 3,600 pesos from Anisol Gotas, 3,800 pesos from Mintao, 2,400 pesos from Jessica Haal, 2,300 pesos from Jefferson Romera. Thank you MMM for this wonderful opportunity, and thank you to Mr. Sergio Mabrodi, the MMM founder, and to all the participants. Together, we can change the world.